Hi, I'm Robert Pestana with Easy Flow Foam System. Here we have a Easy Flow Foam System, 220 volt. This will consist of a Nema L630 plug, which will need the same exact socket to operate this machine. Here is our Graco pumps, which will consist of a pump adapter lined with Teflon tape, as well as a pump filter, which will stop any unwanted material from inserting itself into the pumps. Now we'll move on to dropping the pumps inside of the barrels. Once you've inserted the pumps into the pump drums, you will receive one of these. These are labels to label your pumps. A goes to A, and B goes to B. Once an A pump is inserted in the A material, it will never be allowed to touch the B material, and vice versa.